Why don't we start off with kind of the big metric for every bank? It's net interest margin. You actually grew it by 26 basis points year over year. What was the catalyst? What led to that growth?
Really, a couple of things. One is we have an increasing tailwind in terms of the expansion of loan yields. Our back book is repricing up, given where we're pricing loans today, and also deposit costs are stable. So over time, if the rate environment stays stable, we expect this to continue.
All right. So your deposits grew by 24% year over year. What does that signal? Does that signal that your customers they feel more confident about the economy or less confident about the economy?
Customers are doing fine. The consumer is very stable. The commercial growth is actually accelerating. So we're very, very pleased and looking forward to the next couple of quarters.
All right. You're also expanding your bank. You're actually buying some bank branches from Santander in Pennsylvania. So why those branches? Why in Pennsylvania? What's the opportunity you're looking for there?
Yeah, we're very excited. We've been looking at the Lehigh Valley, and we've been present in it for now a couple of years. We're also opening some de novo branches in there. And this is just a great way for us to really establish our market share. We'll be top 5 market share in a market that's really attractive to us. We know we can compete very well with the large banks and outcompete the small banks. And this will be very productive for our company going forward.
Can you just give us a snapshot of the economy in the Northeast, Pennsylvania and New York, the other areas where you have branches? What are you seeing when it comes specifically to business lending? What areas are growing? Where are you seeing weakness?
Yeah, I would say that the business environment is very constructive. It is stable and accelerating compared to where we were earlier in the year. I think some of the uncertainty around tariffs has been lifted, so businesses are investing again. Our pipelines are very strong. Central New York actually had very strong employment growth over the past 12 months. Unemployment rates are low. So right now, the economy is very stable and accelerating in our markets.
We heard a lot of talk about an increase in CapEx spending, a lot of more business spend after the One Big Beautiful Bill. Are you starting to see the signs of that? Are you starting to see customers come in either looking for lines of credit or loans related to that and the idea that the taxes will be lower and there's also bonus depreciation?
I think it's a little bit too early to see that. What we're seeing is really kind of the tailwinds of a bit of the pause that we had in April with some of the uncertainty around tariffs. That seems to have lifted. So people are back to bringing those projects online. I do expect that we'll see some better sentiment coming out of the BBB.